How are you, students? Fine. I am also fine. I welcome you all on behalf of my educational channel Raj Bioscope. In my last video, I explained you the first part of the fun they had. In this video, let us have a forest walk, and while walking, we will discuss the second part of the chapter, the fun they had. It also includes the concept-based education, if any, from that chapter. So students, are you ready for a forest walk with me and listen the explanation of the chapter? But before that, one small request. Please give a like to my channel as a token of acknowledgement to my sincere effort in pursuit to enhance your knowledge in the field of language and literature. And if you have still not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it to get new updates. Isaac Asimov threw sarcasm into the chapter The Fun They Had. It is a satire to the modern education, holding an age-old torn-out book. Margie and Tommy went into a dreamland of their ancestors who had the privilege to go to a real school. They thought how fortunate they were to get education under the supervision of a real guru. The school was a grand building. It was unimaginable for them. It was a seat of learning where hundreds and hundreds of students learned together under one roof and under direct supervision of human beings, so-called teacher or respectfully guru. They used to get the same education for their all-round development to combat with the life problems with courage. They grew in an atmosphere of brotherhoods, compassion and fellow feeling. Soon they compared their present situation and became disappointed. Their concept of school is an ugly computer screen located in their own house, who often committed errors. Once Margie's mechanical teacher went wrong and gave tests in geography multiple times. Her mother, Jones, at once summoned county inspector for rectification, who was of the opinion that the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared up a little, and thus the funny behavior of the stupid mechanical teacher. Here please note down, students, how a mechanical error can cause catastrophe. You must have known how Neil Armstrong disengaged the computer control of Eagle at the final breathtaking moment of landing on the moon, as the stupid computer was heading the descending stage Eagle to a hilly surface in the moon. Yes, students, the development of the story is like this. The two girls, Margie and Tommy, were speculating the fun, the merrymaking, and the joy that their great grandfather were availing in their own times. Lastly, I am having some advices to you. Read the chapter thoroughly, line by line, and understand the style of writing of the author. Please refer to the net if you do not understand somewhere. As you know, the internet is flooded with tons and tons of relevant and irrelevant information. If you refer to net for some particular information, you can get many associated information also which enrich your knowledge. You should surf the net but with extreme caution. You should judiciously select stuff from the net. Wave your own designed garland from the beads collected from the net. Develop your own writing style rather than adopting someone else. Build your own kingdom and become the king. Initially, it is little difficult, but in the long run, you will be successful in flying color. This much for today, dear students. Please like, comments, and subscribe to this channel as an encourage to me. My best wishes and love to you all. Thank you and see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.